Hello everyone, today I am discussing about ancient history, which is most important and interesting part of our history subject. In this class we discuss 50 questions which will helping you for your competitive exams. So let's start. First question is, who known as the father of history? Answer is Herodotus. Herodotus, a Greek historian who is known as the father of history because he was the first historian to collect his materials systematically, test their accuracy to a certain extent, and arrange them in a well constructed and vivid narrative. Second question, the word history comes from. Answer is, the word history comes from Greek word histo, which means recorded knowledge of past events. Third question, the fossils of early human beings have been found where? Answer is Africa, about 2.6 million years ago. Question number 4, who was the first human? Answer is Homo habilis. Homo habilis is a species of a human being. Question number 5, who was the first to walk on earth? Answer is Australopithecus. It is also a species of human. Question number 6, when was stone first used? Answer is about 2.6 million years ago stone was first used by Homo habilis. Question number 7, who was the first to harness fire? Answer is Homo erectus. Question number 8, what are the three prehistoric periods? Or the question is like this, Stone Age is divided into how many phases? Answer is, first phase is the Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age, second the Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, third the Neolithic or New Stone Age. Question number 9, Homo sapiens first appeared in which age? Answer is Paleolithic age. In the last period of the Paleolithic age, the Homo sapiens first appeared. Question number 10, what were the type of tools used by the Paleolithic man? Answer is scraper, points, awls, burins, broads and knives. Question number 11, was Mesolithic people domesticated animals? Answer is yes, Mesolithic people were domesticated animals. Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh and Vagor in Rajasthan provide the earliest evidence for the domestication of animals. Question number 12, the people of Paleolithic and Mesolithic ages practiced painting. Question is that, which place of the Madhya Pradesh gave the earliest evidence about it? Answer is Bhimbekta in Madhya Pradesh is a striking site of prehistoric painting. Question number 13, which are the Paleolithic sites in India? Answer is Jammu Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Chennai, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh is the Paleolithic sites of India. Question number 14, which are the Mesolithic sites in India? Answer is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 15, which are the Neolithic sites in India? Answer is Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar are the Neolithic sites in India. Question number 16, which men also known as the Quartz men? Answer is Paleolithic men are also known as Quartz men because tools used by Paleolithic men were made up of hard and rough stones, which is known as quartzite stone. According to the name of stone, the peoples were known as quartzite men. Question number 17, what is the metal that used by man first? Answer is copper is the first metal used by human. Question number 18, what are the metal ages in order? Answer is metal ages is divided into 3 stages, that is first stage is copper stage, second stage is bronze stage and third stage is iron stage. Question number 19, what does Mohenjo-daro mean? Answer is mound of dead. Question number 20. Who discovered Mohenjo-daro civilization? Answer is Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee. R.D. mean Rakhaldas Banerjee. Question number 21. Who discovered Harappa civilization? Answer is Dayaram Sahani was discovered Harappa in 1921. Question number 22. Dancing girl from the Indus Valley civilization is now which museum? Answer is the dancing girl is now placed in National Museum, New Delhi. Question number 23. Which metal was not known to the Indus Valley civilization? Answer is iron. Question number 24. Where was the Indus Valley civilization located in modern map? Answer is Pakistan. Indus Valley civilization was an ancient civilization located in Pakistan and northern India in the New India map. Question number 25. Lothal is situated in which state? Answer is Gujarat. Question number 26. Which animal was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Indus Valley civilizations? Answer is cow. Question number 27. The word Veda comes from which word? Answer is Veda comes from root word Vidhi. Question number 28. Who wrote the first Loka and Sanskrit grammar? Answer is Panini. Question number 29. Which god is most prominent in Rig Veda? Answer is Indra. Question number 30. Gayatri Mantra was composed by whom? Answer is Maharshi Vishwamitra. Question number 31. Which Veda contains Gayatri Mantra? Answer is Rig Veda. Question number 32. Which Veda contains cure of diseases? Answer is Atharva Veda. Question number 33. Who wrote Veda? Answer is Vyasadeva. Question number 34. Which Veda contains magical formula? Answer is Atharva Veda. Question number 35. Satyameva Jayate has been adapted from which book? Answer is Mundaka Upanishad. Question number 36. Ashtadhyayi was written by whom? Answer is Panini. Question number 37. Nyaya Darsana was propagated by whom? Answer is Gautama. Question number 38. Who is wrote Manusmriti? Answer is Manusmriti is written by Manu. Question number 39. What is the Upaveda of Rig Veda? Answer is Yajurveda. Yajurveda is dealing with medicines. Question number 40. Silpa Veda is a part of which Veda? Answer is Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is dealing with architecture. Question number 41. The ancient name of Bihar was? Answer is Pataliputra. Question number 42. Samaveda contains which raga? Answer is Drupad raga. Question number 43. What is the capital of Gandhar? Answer is Takshila. Question number 44. The Vedic Aryans first settled in the region of? Answer is Saptasindhu. Question number 45. Two popular assemblies of the Vedic period were Sabha and Samiti. Question number 46. The most common animal figure found at all the Harappa site was? Answer is unicorn bull. Question number 47. The famous Gayatri Mantra is addressed to? Answer is Savitri. Question number 48. The god of animal during the later Vedic period was? Answer is Rudra. Question number 49. Who was the first historical king of India? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was ruled in India from 321 BC to 298 BC. Answer number 50. Where is Avanti located? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Thanking you for watching this class. Our team motto is We Together Get Success. Stay with us for more classes with many informations. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.